This is gonna be a little short in and out build. Maybe it take us a day or two to do. This is the Trailboss Silverado. This is the 2021 1500. They said about 2 inches taller from the factory than a standard Silverado, so we do a 4-inch lift kit instead of a 6 for 35-inch tires. This one's gonna be really cool because it's all black, everything, the grill, bumpers, all color matched. We're doing an all black, gloss black wheel. It's gonna match up perfectly with some 35s. It'll be some 24x12 TIS wheels. Stay tuned. The fun stuff you'll never see on YouTube. I guess I'll put it on there for you today. It's like 28 degrees outside right now, and the guys told me that they're cold. I don't really have somebody to send, so walking the diesel heater next door to the gas station for them. Help out just a little bit, you know. Damn, I do my part. Try to. They do a lot for me, so. Pretty fancy little heater. It does the job. It heats the whole shop. Well, the 2021 Silverado is ready on the 6-inch rough country lift. I'm sorry, it's a 4-inch because this is a Trailboss. Trailbosses sit 2 inches taller, so they sell a 4-inch lift, which is essentially the same thing as the 6-inch lift with a smaller strut spacer. Turns out really nice. Put it on 35, 12, 50, 24 RBP repulsor RTs. I don't have a lot of experience with this tire, but it's supposed to be like a Nitto Ridge Grappler platform, so we'll see how it does. It's on the 24x12 TIS 547B gloss black wheels. Good entry-level priced wheel. It's a cast aluminum, so it's not as expensive as like a KG1 or a JTX. This customer got here this morning at 8 o'clock, and it's 1:30 in the afternoon. They're picking their vehicle up. Once again, I wanted to say thanks to everybody that watches and everybody that comes by and gets a lift kit and tires and everything. I have the best job in the world. Thank you.